Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Volkswagen Golf Bluetooth. Start by turning the ignition on, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and open the car's infotainment pairing menu. Keep your phone unlocked and visible while the system scans for devices. Select your phone from the list and confirm the pairing code on both screens. Accept any permission prompts for contacts and audio so calls and media stream correctly through the car speakers. If pairing fails, try simple restarts first, as many glitches clear that way. Remove outdated or duplicate devices from the car's Bluetooth list to free memory and reduce conflicts. Confirm your phone and car software are updated to support current Bluetooth standards. Move away from other wireless devices or interference during pairing, and temporarily disable Wi-Fi or hotspots if needed. Retry the pairing process slowly, confirming each on-screen prompt to complete a successful connection. Once paired, explore features like hands-free calling, audio streaming, and voice control for a safer driving experience. Enable contact sharing to display names and recent calls on the dashboard. Use your phone or the car's voice command button to dial contacts without taking your eyes off the road. Adjust audio sources to prioritize media or phone calls as needed. Familiarize yourself with steering wheel controls to change tracks and answer calls quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.